Hello everyone, and thank you so much for continuing watching the videos. In this video, I will be going over Sunday open price and how the market trades back into the same zone during the week. So what is Sunday open price? Sunday open price is where and when the market first opens during the Sydney/Asian session. And in this video, I will be going over showing you how to mark up your charts in 3 examples of how the market moves during the Sunday open price. Keep in mind, the chart does not show Sunday's date. It goes right into Monday's date here on MT4. So for us, it's technically Sunday, but when the market opens, it will show as Monday's date. So for example, right here, you can see that it started off with September 13th. However, if you look on your calendar, you'll see that Sunday is on September 12th. So basically what MT4 does, it just skips the day of Sunday and it goes right into Monday's date. So that's something that you want to be mindful of because you're not going to see Sunday's date on here. So it's going to go right into Monday. So let's go ahead and get into it. So right here, I have marked off Sunday's open price. This is the Sydney/Asian session, right? And down here, you can see that this is the Sydney session. This is the Asian session. This is the green one is the London session. The red one is the New York session. So this is the start of the week, September 13th. You can see this was Monday's move, right? The start is the start of the Asian session. Now, during the week, you have a midweek reversal. You're always going to have a midweek reversal. Whatever price started off with during the beginning of the week, price is going to come back and trade into it during the middle of the week, right? So right here, we have with US30, price went ahead and bought up the first day of the actual market open, right? So now skip to the next day. This is September 14th, right? September 14th. The very next day, actually, it came back, played into the Sunday open. So if you're actually, off of what we know that if price buys on Monday, Tuesday is the day of reversal. So in order for you to be able to have a good entry, you want to go ahead and be patient and see price come back and play into the Sunday open. And this is where you're going to get a great entry to be able to get into the market. Look how this is marked up. This is the first 2 hours in the Sydney Asian session. And look, during the New York session, look how price, if you were patient, look how price came and played it right back into it, and you could have got an entry all the way down here. All the confirmations were aligning and matching up. You can see the ADX, the momentum is high for sellers in the market. So that's one little gem that you guys can definitely pay attention to and make a use of because it really is very helpful. So, however, you have it here where the market did sell down. So you do want to go ahead and zoom out. Always go on the higher time frame. Zoom out and see where price was looking to sell down to, which would be previous lows. Let me go ahead and zoom out. So you can see this is where the market sold down at. Look how to the left, when you zoom out, you can see you want to ask yourself, okay, well, where is the market going to sell to? If I'm getting into for a sell, where should I take profit? Literally look over to the left and see what lows needs to be cleared out. Because when you are in the sell, you want to know where the market is going. Zooming out, looking to the left, you're going to get all your answers. This is where you're going to know the market is going to drop to. Look how it came and cleared out these previous orders. It came back and mirrored the same area where price sold down to, and then it cleared it. It went even further. It cleared out these lows and made a new low in the market. So let's go ahead and go to the next example. Right here, this was last week. This was last week's move, right? Okay. So this was the start of the Asian Sydney session. You have it here where the market sold off very badly because of China being in $300 billion in debt. So which is bad for the economy, right? So price really surged down a lot during the Asian London session. Now this was on Monday. This was on Monday, September 20th. Go ahead and waiting till the midweek reversal. This was a Wednesday. Look how September 23rd, if you were patient to take a buy, you could have got this entry right here, the same entry. So what I want to go ahead and do is explain how when the market sells down of the first Sunday open price, if it sells down the midweek reversal, you want to look for a buy. If price buys up when the market opens, then the midweek reversal, you want to look for a sell. You want to see price come back and play back into the open. So in this case, we had price sell down. So you know for your midweek reversal, price has to come back and correct itself. Come back, play into the Sunday open. And you can see right here that literally it came back, played into the Sunday open. And you were able to take this buy to the upside. And look how when the market did buy, it came to take out previous highs in the market. Previous highs in the market. So this area right here, you can see this was at 12 o'clock on here. So this was 3, 4, 5 o'clock a.m. So 5 o'clock a.m. If you didn't take any trades between 2 to 4, do not look to take any trades, until the New York session, because the London kill zone is from 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. And if you didn't get any setups or any trades, then don't look to take it, because you have this candlestick right here where it actually did attempt to go ahead and test the Sunday open. But time and price is everything, because you're trading at the wrong time and you so happen to see this. Yeah, it did go up and tested it just a little bit, but it came back down, and it came back down, and then it waited until the New York session. This was at the New York Stock Exchange. It waited till the New York session to actually fulfill its move. So time and price is very important, guys, because if you're trading at the wrong time, you're bound to, have your trade go through a lot of consolidation, and it'll take longer for your trade to actually go into profit. So you want to make sure that you're trading in the right time zones, because that really makes a difference. If you had just waited for the New York session and just wait for price patiently to come back into play into this Sunday open, then you would have went right immediately into profit, going up into these highs up here. You can see that, price is mirroring the same area over here. The same area, taking out highs in the market right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and go over one more example. So we have it here. This was yesterday. This is very recent. So we have yesterday, this is September 27th, right? This is Monday. So we have the Asian Sydney session open. And then you have Tuesday, which we know is the day of reversal. Look how price came back, played into the Sunday open and sold down. So when the market is buying, for the Asian London session going into New York, when the market is buying, you want to look for the midweek reversal for a price to go back and sell down and play into the Sunday open. And then what you can do If you're going to go ahead and get in for that sell, look to the left to see where your next target in the market is when you're taking the sell. Look how when the sell came about, it took out previous lows in the market, lows in the market, lows in the market, and it stopped right here to this low. It stopped right there. So this is very, very, very informative, and you guys definitely take heed into this information because it's very important and a great source that you can actually use to have profit. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped. Thank you guys again.